Well, I can't believe, but we've actually done it. It's been a long time in the coming, but today we finally did something that we have been waiting so long to do. And we've had a go years ago, but today we start the journey of cooking pretty much most of our food on fire on the towpath right next to Bluebell. Hey, I'm Rich from Bye Bike and Boat, and you're watching day 13 of my Narrowboat diaries. We're still here north of Kimber, and it's been an absolutely fantastic day. I'm just on my way to the pub now to meet up with another boater friend for a pint or two. But today I kicked off with trying to make another loaf of bread in the Dutch oven over the fire. It was better than yesterday, and if anything, you know, I always go with the plan of making each and every day 1% better, and definitely I took a leap of that with the bread today. It wasn't so burnt as it was yesterday, but it's still got a lot of progress to make. So guys, if you've got tips, please leave them in the comment section below with regards to cooking bread on the fire, because I'm a complete novice and I need help. I really do. And then I headed into the workshop. I got hammering, made a bookmark, made a bracelet, and some pendants as well. A really lovely time. It was lovely to have Sue and Ian, some people that have followed us on Facebook, come by and say hello at Bluebell as well. They were in Kimber locally going for a walk, so they came over to say hello. And then this afternoon, me and Fleur cooked a dhal in the Dutch oven. Really simple, just a few spices, salt, pepper, stock cube, water, lentils, an onion and potato. Boiled that up and we just had that for our tea. And it's been cooking for hours today, and it was really delicious. Yeah. It's the weekend, it's the bank holiday weekend. So we're going to take 3 days off, go and explore a little bit more of Kimber. What was really lovely this afternoon, and this is magical, the Hatchings and Jackie have been at the park, and Bob's made a new friend, and they've got on like a house on fire. He lives just down the road in Stourbridge. So everything here is coming together absolutely beautifully. It's an incredible place to be. So happy to be here. And I think we found our place, which is just such a magical thing. Anyway, guys, listen, if you're new to our journey, please do hit that subscribe button if you want more of these diaries. If you want to know more about our homestead, more about living on a narrowboat, more about the fossil-free cooking with wood, leave a question in the comment section below. We might not know, but we'll do our best to answer each and every one. If you are a new subscriber, also let us know that you've subscribed so that we can welcome you, because we love to welcome all new stowaways to our adventures. Guys, until tomorrow, lots of love. I'm off to the pub. Bye!